Welcome to Taiba Kids!
It's body wash, time to splash and play. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere, wash the dirt away. We turn on the water warm, not too hot, just right. Step into the tub with care, everything feels light. It's body wash, soap goes on our skin. Rub a dub and scrub a dub, let the fun begin. We wash our hands and wash our face, gently, nice and slow. Tiny bubbles, soft and white, help us shine and glow. It's body wash, wash our arms and feet, clean and fresh from head to toe, feeling oh so neat. We wash our hair with shampoo too, bubbles on our head, rinse it out with water clear, bye bye dirt and dread. It's body wash, splashing in the tub, laughing, playing happily, scrub a dub a deb. We rinse the soap all off our skin till it's nice and clean. Water flows and sparkles bright, shiniest we've seen. It's body wash, dry with towels soft. Wrap up warm and cozy now, feeling light aloft. Now we're clean and smell so nice, ready for the day. Healthy habits make us strong, hip hip hooray.
Thanks for watching Taiba Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe!